We are actually going to start on algebra. Before we start the lesson on algebra, let's do some revision, looking at expansion of algebraic equation. Now first, let's have a look at a blue and red rectangle. Now, the area of this blue rectangle is A times H, which is AH, and the area of rectangle is B times H, which is BH. Therefore, the combined area or the total area of blue plus red is AH plus BH. Now, what if we have a green rectangle where the height H is still the same, whereas the length in this case is A plus B? And we know that the area of green rectangle is H times A plus B, which is H into brackets A plus B. The total area of blue plus red should be the same as green. And therefore, we know that AH plus BH is actually the same as H times A plus B. Alright? This is actually a distributive law. We are actually expanding. We multiply H into this bracket, so H times A gives us AH, H times B gives us BH. It could be HA or HB. However, we normally write it with AH and BH. Now, what if this is replaced by the blue area taking away the red area? We know that total area of blue minus red is actually AH minus BH. This case, we still have H. The length here now is A minus B. Therefore, the area of the screen is H times A minus B, or equals to H into A minus B. So, the total area of blue minus red is the area of green rectangle. Therefore, H A times B equals to AH minus BH. Again, this is a distributive law. HA, H times B minus. Alright, let's do some example. Starting off with this one, 2 into x plus 4. So, we do that, 2 times x plus 2 times 4. That gives us 2x plus 8. What about the next one? This time, 4 times d and 4 times minus 3. 4 times d minus, or actually we can do it 4 plus minus 3, which gives us 4d. 4 times minus 3 is actually minus 12. So, this is expanding that expression. I want you to pause the video now. Spend 5 minutes and see if you can work out these three expansion. Alright, I think you've got enough time. Let's have a look at the first one. We've got minus 3 times 4. Then we got plus minus 3 times minus d. Therefore, we have minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Minus 3 times minus d, that is plus, so it's plus 3d. Or we can rewrite it as 3d minus 12. Next one, you've got to realize that we've got not only expansion, we've got another a here. So let's start off with 5 times a plus 5 times 1, which is 5, plus a, which is 5a plus 5 plus a. Now, notice that you've got 5a and a. We need to collect like terms. So 5a plus a, that is 6a plus 5. Next one, 5 into a plus 1. So we've got 5a plus 5. Now, this time, minus 2 times a, that is minus 2a. Minus 2 times minus 4, that is plus 8. Therefore, we can actually again collect like terms. 5a minus 2a, that gives us 3a. And plus 5 plus 8, that gives us 13. So, the answer is 3a plus 13. Last two examples. Again, I want you to pause the video for about 3 minutes and work these two out. Okay, I think you've got enough time now. Let's have a look at this example. 2x by x, 2x, x, plus 2x times 2y. Right? Next, plus 3y times y and plus 3y minus 2x. We therefore have 2x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared minus 6xy. Again, let's collect like terms. This and this like terms. The answer therefore is 2x squared plus 4xy minus 6xy, that is minus 2xy plus 3y squared. Last but not the least, let's work on this. It's actually 2 over 5 multiplied by 6x plus 2 over 5 times 4 over 7. That will give us 12x over 5 plus 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 7 is 35. Alright, we'll leave the answer that way. 12x over 5 plus 8 over 35. So in summary, if we expand a into b plus c, using distributive law, is ab plus ac. Expanding a into b minus c is actually ab minus ac. So each term in the bracket is multiplied by the term outside the bracket. This is the end of the first revision lesson.